and welcome to Everything About Windows, and here in this video I want to show you how you can customize your taskbar in Windows 10. So we are gonna run through some steps and I will show you which options you have. So first of all, we open up the settings. You can do that by clicking here on the gear icon, and then we are gonna heading into the category personalization. So we open that up, and then so now we are going here to the taskbar section, and here we want to find all the settings to customize our taskbar. So let's begin here on the top. So we have first the option to lock the taskbar. You can also do this if you right click on the taskbar. You can find the option lock the taskbar, and what this will do is then if you turn it off and you allow to move the taskbar, you can drag and drop the taskbar to the side or to the top or to the left side. So you can activate this option if you want to move the taskbar to another position. If you don't wanna that this happens by drag and drop, you can activate lock the taskbar. Then you can have an option where you can automatically hide the taskbar when you are in desktop mode. So what this does is basically that the taskbar will disappear after a period of time or after some seconds, so you have an immersive screen and you can just concentrate of what you are doing here on this screen. So if you hover with your mouse here on the bottom, the taskbar will appear automatically and then it will disappear again. And you have also the same option if you are using the tablet mode, but that's not or that's just if you are using the tablet mode. So yeah, you can also activate an option to use small taskbar buttons. So if we turn it on, you will see that all the task icons, all the taskbar icons and buttons are much smaller. So for example, we see just the clock and not exactly the date, and everything is much compact here. So if you have many icons here and you want to save some space, you can activate this. The next thing is the peek to preview the desktop. So if you are heading with your mouse cursor here in the right bottom on this bar and you let your mouse cursor on it, you will see a preview of your desktop. So this is activated by default. And you can also replace the command prompt with Windows PowerShell. So if you right click here on the Windows Start icon, or you do Windows and X, you can replace PowerShell with what is basically the option with command prompt. So you can check that out. And you have an option to deactivate the badges on the taskbar. So badges are here the bubbles which show you how many missed notifications you have. So here in the mail app I have 25 unread emails, and if you check or deactivate this, you will see that the icons don't have these badges anymore. So you can also have an option for that. And then besides the fact that you can unlock and lock the taskbar, you have also the option to select a specific let's say you have a specific space for your taskbar. So you can turn it to the left, to the top, to the right, or to the bottom. So that's also available here. And you can also combine taskbar buttons. So you can do never, and you will see that you have much bigger icon of your taskbar or of your programs which are opened in the taskbar. So you will see also a preview which internet site, for example, is open, which web page is open, which document is open currently. So you can also select that when the taskbar is full, that it will go in the normal state, in the normal size like this. And we have also an option to select icons which are allowed to appear here. So you can deactivate the network icon. You can also deactivate the power icon. So here you can also show everything here so that nothing is grouped. And we have also an option to select which system icons you want to see. So you can also deactivate or turn off the action center. You can also turn off the power, network, volume, clock. So you can turn off basically everything what you want right here in the settings. So you can also check that out. So yeah, and you have at last an option for the people bar. So you can turn it off completely, or you can turn it on, and you can also select how many contacts maximum are pinned here. So you can select that 10 contacts are allowed to be pinned here on the taskbar, or just one. Yeah, and that's basically it. So this was a quick video how or what you can basically do to customize your taskbar. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, that would really mean a lot to me, and I would also appreciate some feedback from you. So yeah, that's it, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.